Hey guys, alright, so in this video I'm changing a zone damper for a system here, and I got to go through this wall panel to get to the air handler. So I got to get it took off. Alright, let's get in there. Alright guys, forgot to mention, y'all may have seen me film here before. So this house has 3 zones. One zone is running off of 2 dampers, and I have replaced 2 zone dampers here before, and another one had already been replaced, and the 4th one, which was original, has now failed, which I hate because it's only a few months after I was here, and you know, but people can only do what they financially can. And so we just replaced the ones that were a problem to begin with. But I'll get over here so I can show y'all. See, I replaced that one and that one in the middle, and the one on the end was already replaced. And one for zone 2 here is the one that has failed. It was the last remaining original one. So I'll get my old wire out of the way. We will be rewiring, running a new wire for the new damper, because the old one is a the old one is a power close spring open, and the new one is a power open power close, which is your normal, what you see nowadays. So let's get started ripping this old one out. Alright, so I'm trying to get over here in an angle where I can, oh god, where I can rest this a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to cut here. So I can unwrap this piece and reuse it on the new one. Okay. Alright, looks like I just gotta undo. Looks like we got a piece of hard pipe from here to maybe like down there. Let's get the drill on it. Ow, there's a nail. I'm sure there's one around the other side where it'd be hard to reach. Yep, there's gonna be. Alright, let's try to feed this insulation out. Alright guys, I was able to find y'all a good place to mount. Get my light put back on here. I was able to get the insulation pulled out from around it. Still got to get a couple more screws out of this end. So I had to try to go get my sidearm bit to accomplish that, hopefully, because it's these Come on. All right, good. Got that one. Ow. That nail is right in the way. Right in the way, nail. Be careful of that thing. Let's see if we got any more in it. Yeah, we got one more on the bottom. Looks like it's right there. You kidding me? Never can be easy sometimes. All right, let's try to take the damper off the plenum. All right. All right, I was able to get that screw out, guys, on the this side. Okay, so I got that. It's actually a reducer. I figured out off, so that's good. Scrunch that back out of the way. All right, now we just got to get that last screw out and get it pulled off. Whew. All right. All right, guys. Let's get our new one set in here. All right. Got our new one here. I'm gonna get it slid on and attached. Tell you what, boys and girls, this little drill is something else. It's amazing how powerful they can build stuff so small, you know. But all right, let's get this slid on here. Let's get some screws in it. Stay still. Oh, really? Come on now. There we go. All right, boys and girls. All right, I'm gonna get it wrapped up. Don't come apart on me, please. All right, guys, getting a little closer. Just got to finish sealing this up and run the wire. All right, y'all, about got it wrapped up there. Just got to run my new thermostat wire from the zone board to the module here for the damper. So let's do that. Alright, guys, got my wire here. We'll head back in here and let's wire this thing up. Might need that. Sorry, guys. I've been under the weather today and yesterday, and this dusty old attic ain't helping nothing. Use blue or white, blue, and black. That's what I did on the other ones. I'll just keep it matching and neat. All right, so let's see here. On these I did white. I did white is common, black power open, blue power closed. So that's what we'll do on this one. All right, so we'll do white is common, number 1. Black, number 4. Black, number 4, power open. And blue to 6 is our power closed. Run back to the board now. Alright, guys, I made it over to the zone board. I'm unhooking my wire from zone 2. that out of the way. Got my new wire here, stripped. Blue or white, and blue. Whew, it's October, but it's still hot up here. So when you're right against the roof. Alright, let's see here. Well, I'll go to M1, that's our common. Common. And black will go to M4, power open. Get it. There it is. And blue, power closed. All right. Disconnect back in. Purge override. It's a Honeywell zone board. Make sure it opens and closes good. And we'll be about finished. Moving, it was closed, and it opened right up, so that's a good sign. It's gonna about do it for this one. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Got that ladies upstairs back going with some good airflow. The damper that was stuck open was or it failed was for the downstairs side, and they were about to freeze out using their AC, so glad to get that one fixed and back going. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.